Hurry, everyone, keep moving!
Push! Heave! All together now, push! Push! Harder now! Heave! All together! It's moving, keep going! Hurry! This way! We must reach the high ground before the river floods!
Hurry, come inside quickly!
Come on, get out of the rain!
The rain lashed down just like this, but the thunder was louder.
We thought the little train might wash away.
This is delicious.
I'm so glad we have this hot food.
Best meal ever.
They say when the blue moon rises during a storm, the mountain spirits awaken and walk the earth, searching for lost travelers.
There, that post is secure now. Good work, everyone, we did it! The rain won't break this one.